Hi, my name is Alice Faye, and I'm a catering manager and wedding specialist at the Fairmont Copley Plaza in Boston. And today I'm going to give you some tips on hosting an hors d'oeuvre cocktail party in your home. At the Fairmont Copley Plaza, we have many props that we can use, but I'm going to show you some tricks of things that you can use in your own home without spending a lot of money and making it a perfectly flowing party for you and your guests. And first rule for a cocktail hors d'oeuvre party is to have as many things easy to pick up and easy to eat as possible. It saves you having to put out plates. If you can just use cocktail napkins and toothpicks, that's great. Frilly toothpicks, of course, the fancy ones. And also, it'll eliminate having to have the extra space on your table to store plates, and also when they're dirty, you don't leave them all over your home. So we have here some finger sandwiches, which are very easy to pick up, as well as some vegetables, cheeses, and raw bar items. And the trick that we have here is, instead of just placing all of your platters that you probably have at home flat out on a table, which takes up a huge amount of space and also looks a little one-dimensional, we've added some visual appeal to this table by lifting things up on vases and gift boxes even. Like, for instance, this one is just a gift box that you might just have right under your Christmas tree. Just sit it on the table and plop a platter of vegetables on top of it, and it's beautiful. And some of the others we actually have is using a vase, which you probably have at home. You often get flowers delivered, and we all keep these vases in hopes of getting more flowers, and then we never use them. But you can use them for your party. So you basically take a vase, turn it upside down, and get a wad of saran wrap, and place the saran wrap on top, place it on the table, and put the serving piece on top of it like we did here. So the saran wrap keeps the plate from slipping when your guests go to cut the cheese off the plate or grab hors d'oeuvres. And then, to show a little visual difference too and the different stands, we have another one of the vases here, but we've covered it with a napkin, so it kind of does a nice cascading flow onto the table. And also on the table, we just did the most simple decor of adding Christmas ornaments. You can just throw them on the table. You can throw greenery off of your Christmas tree. We've, of course, added some candles. You want to keep your candles to a minimum on the table so that people aren't burning themselves when they come to get the food. And then another tip is, as far as displaying crackers for cheese, you could easily do a basket, which a lot of people do. But in this case, we have these beautiful linens. We're just going to take a napkin, pretty satin napkin. Don't catch it on fire. And just drape it over the table, and then you can just place your crackers directly on it. So you can do this with breads, chop up some French loaf, anything, and kind of just do a pretty display for your guests to get at easily. And you can just garnish it with some greenery. And beautiful. So I hope that these are tips that you can use, and it'll make your party a festive one that's fun for you as well as your guests, and your cleanup will be a breeze. Enjoy the holiday.